Hi, I'm Dr. C. Suman Kumar, consultant pediatrician at Ankura Hospital for Women and Children. Once the baby crosses certain age, the most common question which most of the parents would normally ask is, when is the right age to join kids in school? What would be the right age? Nowadays, the age is unlimited. Now we have seen children being joined even at 18 months of age, and sometimes they see that we can wait till 5 years of age. So things are going hayward, and thanks to pandemic, things have even gone down for a 6. As a pediatrician, what would be the recommendation for right age as far as brain development and physical development of a child is concerned? We as pediatrician would recommend a right age for the child in the present generation, considering the present generation, would be at 2.5 years. Perfectly for starting of nursery, and it would be at least minimum of 6 years for starting first grade as far as joining school is concerned. Why at 2.5, and or how do we identify it would be the right age for the child? See, the child should be at least in a position to identify at least in a few 2 or 3 colors. The child should be in a position to communicate at least in a few words, make small sentences, and the child should be in a position to repeat words what is said to him or her in their own language, and child should be in a position to identify pictures which are shown outside in the textbook. And lastly, the child should be in a position to identify his body parts, his or her body parts. So these are few essentials for a child to say that now is the right time for this child to go to school. It shouldn't be too early, it shouldn't be too late, because too early means this cognition would be defective, and the child would have lot of anxieties and parental anxieties and other issues as far as the development is concerned. It shouldn't be too late either, considering the joint families what we have got, considering the present day generation with techs, like child spending time with mobiles and screen time what we have got, it might affect the brain development of the child. So always sending them to school at an appropriate age, at the right age, would always be beneficial for the child. So recommend 2.5 years for nursery and 6 years for first standard. Thank you.